Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Christmas room tour. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how I decorated for the season. I did one of these in the fall and it was actually one of my favorite videos I've done. Even though I don't really do a ton of decorating videos, it was just kind of fun to do something different and I feel like a lot of you guys enjoyed it as well. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how I decorated my room for the holiday season. This is also a pretty affordable decorating video as well. Pretty much everything I got was in the Target like dollar section, so everything was pretty much under like $3 to $5. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and it'll give you some inspiration for decorating your room. Sorry this video is going up a little bit late in the season, but I was a little bit late decorating this year. Comment below and let me know what holiday you guys would like to see me decorate next for, and I hope you guys enjoy. Just keep watching to see how I decorated my room for the holiday season. Starting from right inside my door, here is a quick overview. So nothing has really changed since, you guys like the One Direction poster? Nothing has really changed since my last couple room tours. Like my fall room tour, nothing changed since then. This is gonna be set up a lot like my kind of like fall decorations room tour, where I just kind of show you guys like the actual seasonal decorations and not like an in-depth room tour. So if you guys would like an in-depth room tour where I show you guys like where my furniture is from, bedding is from, and the actual setup of my room, click right here. I forget which side the card is on, and you can watch my in-depth room tour to see actually where everything is from. In this video, I'm just gonna be showing you guys my actual seasonal decorations and how I decorated for the actual season, and I'm not gonna be going in depth for the items that are actually always in my room. Starting right here, this is my dresser, and I'll just, in case any of you guys are new here, I'll just give you a quick overview of what it looks like. So I do have my mirror above it, and if you'll notice, it is a little bit off-centered, but that's because I put my Christmas tree in this corner, and so I did have to scoot it over a bit. There we go, I forgot to turn the star on. I do have this mirror above it, and the mirror is from Target. So on top of my dresser, I added some seasonal decorations. This one's actually my favorite decoration. It's this little kind of like wooden sparkly tree right here, and it's a mixture of kind of like some gray wood and then some like kind of like light looking wood. It is from Altered State. I think this would look good in every room because it's got very neutral tones, and they had a lot of other stuff kind of like this, but I just like that the best. And then this is really random. I just got this whenever I was a kid. It's like this little snow globe, but it's like this little snow globe and it has my name on it, and when you turn it on it lights up, but the batteries are old so it's not doing it, but I just have that sitting there. And then here I just have all my normal stuff. I just have like this little tray with some jewelry, and then I've got like my perfume tray as well. And then right here I have this little candle from Target, and I need to actually rip all of this stuff off because I kind of forgot. It's this really cute little candle. It's literally just kind of white with the wooden top, as you can see here, but it's got the little Christmas tree cut out, and it's again really neutral, but I just thought it was really cute, and I just thought it looked kind of nice up here. And then everything else pretty much from this point on is gonna be from Target. When I say Target, I mean the dollar section. The dollar section is now like the $3 section, but yeah, pretty much everything in this video is from that little like $2-3 section when you first walk in at Target, because that's just where I like to get everything. Every season you just go there and they have a bunch of cute stuff for only a couple dollars, and you just get a whole bunch of stuff and it's great. All of this I got this season at Target, and I love that little Let It Snow sign. I just think it's so cute. It's got the little tree and the deers, and it's sparkly and white and just really cute. And then I put those sparkly trees behind it as well. So that's what we've got going on up here. Not anything too crazy, kind of plain to be honest, but that's the best I could come up with. Okay, moving on to my Christmas tree. This is what it looks like. I kind of showed the process of putting this together in my week in my life that I did last year, because that was when I got this Christmas tree and set it up and bought everything for it for the first time. So if you guys are kind of curious, like me buying the ornaments and setting it up for the first time, and you know, kind of everything I bought for that, you can check out that week in my life if you'd like to. I got this tree from Target, and it has all of the lights built in, and something kind of cool about it is a button, and you can have it be like rainbow lights or the white lights, or you can have it blinking both. I think it was originally about like $200, I'm not quite sure, but I actually got it at the very end of the season, like in January, so it was like 90% off, so I got it for like $20, which is like an amazing deal because it's actually a really good size, as you can see. The next year, I bought all the ornaments and the tree skirt. Bulbs are from Target. I got like this pack with the gold. It's actually champagne. It's not really gold and it's not really silver. And then I got like these burgundy ones from Walmart, which has like the frosted sparkly, and then like some textured ones as well. And then I just have like these kind of like random ones throughout, and then yeah, just kind of like some random ones. I have some really cute ones like this Friends one my sister made me. I have a Stranger Things one. I think this star was from, I think it was from Walmart actually. Moving on to my nightstand. Not too much going on here for the Christmas time, but I did buy this little Christmassy cactus. It's literally just like a little succulent, and it's like frosted, which makes it look kind of wintry. Next up is my bed. So as you can see, we did add a little bit of Christmas to it. I did get this really cute garland, again from Target. I think this was $5, again from the dollar section, but it's really cute. It's like kind of sparkly and looks kind of like it's been in the snow, but I thought that was cute, so I just took that and I just kind of like, it's kind of bendy, so I just kind of like wrapped it around my headboard. So that's really all I did with that. I just thought that would add a nice touch. I feel like you can't really see it too much. It's definitely kind of subtle, but it just adds a little bit of something. I also do have some Christmas lights up here. I usually do keep them here all year round, so I didn't really add those for Christmas, but I feel like the lights with the kind of like garland definitely adds like a very like Christmassy feel. I wish I could have this like everywhere, just kind of like on my shelves and throughout my room, but I don't really have anywhere that I could put it. Like if I had like some shelves or something, like toppers, I don't know, toppers, when you know you've been working at American Eagle too much when you say that, but if I had like more shelves or something like where I could put it in my room, I would. On to my desk area, it looks like this. So I've got this desk, and first of all, this is my favorite area in my room. This is where I spend like 90% of my time. Really didn't do too much here. I've just got this lamp and then some Polaroids, and then I have a cactus. And I just added this little tiny little tree over here just because it was kind of like leftover with my decorations, but just kind of like something to add to my desk. Above my desk is this, which I think this is actually pretty cute. I was kind of struggling with this area to make this look cute, but I actually think it turned out pretty okay. On this first shelf, I have this deer, and I got this from Target last year. It was not in the dollar section. It was just kind of in the back of the store. And then I just have my friend's mug that is always up here. And then I have this snow globe. I did a DIY on my channel a very, very long time ago, if you want to check it out. But it's just a little snow globe that I DIY'd. And then on this shelf, this one is super Christmassy, I feel like. I have another one of those little frames, and I love this one too. I just think it's so cool with the little bell, and it's kind of like rustic looking. I don't know, I think it's really cute. So I have that one up there, and then a little IKEA plant that's always up there, and then two more of those little Christmas trees. I have a big one and a small one, and I just think they look really cute next to each other. I like all the neutral tones. I feel like the white and the green and the silver and gold all looks really nice together. But there is an actual blizzard outside my window. I do have these little stars, and I got these from Target a couple years ago. Again, these were actually from the dollar section. They're really cute. They have a ton of these every year. But these ones were particularly cute from a couple years ago. And they're just like these little portable ones. They don't plug in or anything. I try and kind of tuck this behind my curtain, but they're really cool. So I just have those above. They're like these little stars, and I kind of like the multiple different lights layered. I think it looks kind of cool. So I just have the little stars. And over here in my vanity, I don't have any Christmas decorations going on. I want something, but I just couldn't think of anything going on, so it's not Christmassy. Moving on to my Polaroid strand, I do have a little bit of Christmas going on here. I have a little stocking with an E, and this was just given to me in a Christmas gift by one of my managers, and I just thought it was so cute, so I saved it, and then I hung it here, and it worked out nice because I actually put the little box for this Christmas lights inside of it, so you can kind of conceal it and it's not just like hanging down from here and looking kind of ugly. So I put that inside the stocking. And then the actual Christmas lights over here are really cute. They're like these little silver bells, and then just little silver bell lights. So I thought those were really cute above the Polaroid strand. And they kind of just look like regular lights from afar, but if you notice the bells, then you know, it's cute. One thing I did that was really cute in previous years, but I haven't gotten around to doing it yet, and now I'm like, is it enough time that it's worth doing it? I always used to take silver tinsel and line my room with it, which is kind of what I was talking about earlier with the garland, but there was not any shelves for me to put it on. I used to always like line the top of my rooms with tinsel, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about because my sister's actually the one that started doing it, and I was like, oh, this is so cute, so I started copying her. So this is what the tinsel looks like. Really cute. So see how she just took like the silver tinsel. And you can just get this from like Target, Walmart, anywhere like that. But yeah, you can get it in like silver, gold. I personally like the silver. But she just took it and kind of like tacked it up to her ceiling. Kind of made like little loops. And if you see it, it just looks really cute. It looks very Christmassy.
It's cute, but it's a lot of work.
Yeah, it's a lot of work. When she told me how long it took her, I was like, yeah, no thanks. It's just very Christmassy. I feel like you could honestly do no decorations in your room and just do this and it would look really Christmassy. So yeah, if you need a little bit more Christmas decoration inspiration, take a look at my favorite part of Lauren's room. If you guys enjoyed the video, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to comment below which decoration was your favorite. And also, if you'd like me to do another one of these videos, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.